Hello and welcome to this video tutorial which provides a live demonstration of trade setup and execution using the MT pending order tools. Please note it is recommended that this tutorial is viewed after watching the pending order tools video tutorial. For this demonstration, the trade tool has been used in conjunction with the MT pending order tools to set up and execute live trades on various markets. The first trade was taken on the German 30 cash 5-minute time frame using the buy stop zone pending order tool. Once trade setup is complete and has been activated, the pending order is displayed in the trade console under the Iron FX Forex install. As the trade is not live, only basic information is available, although a ticket number has already been assigned since the MT pending orders are registered with the broker. The live event grid also displays a record of the pending order. Once triggered, both the chart and the trade console are updated automatically. As before, on completion, both the chart and the trade console are updated automatically to show the result of the trade. All events relating to the trade are shown in the trade event history. This video includes two further trades, one taken on the Brent cash 15-minute time frame using the sell stop zone pending order tool, and the other taken on the German 30 cash 5-minute time frame using the buy limit zone pending order tool. As will be seen, both trades are captured and recorded by the trade controller in the same way as before. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video.